navigating troubled waters, understanding, you're in hot water. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often confuses learners. You're in hot water. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you need to check the temperature of your bath. Instead, we're going to explore its figurative meaning, how to use it in conversation, and its origins. So, let's get started and make sure you're never confused by this phrase again. When someone says, "You're in hot water," they're not talking about a relaxing soak. Instead, this phrase means that you're in trouble or a difficult situation. It's often used when the trouble is due to something you've done, especially if there are going to be consequences for your actions. For example, if you forget to do an important task at work, your boss might say you're in hot water. Using "you're in hot water" in conversation is pretty straightforward. It's a casual and somewhat humorous way to indicate trouble. Here are a few examples. To a friend, if your mom finds out you broke her favorite vase, you're going to be in hot water. In the workplace, I heard the project missed its deadline. The whole team is in hot water with the boss. Self-reflection, I'm in hot water now for not paying my bills on time. It's a versatile phrase that can lighten the mood slightly, even when talking about serious issues. The phrase, "you're in hot water," has been around for centuries, and its origins are quite literal. In the past, being in hot water was often a reference to trouble of a very physical kind, such as being in water that's too hot and could cause harm. Over time, it evolved to mean being in a troublesome or precarious situation more generally. This transformation from literal to figurative language is a common way many idioms develop. And there you have it. Next time you hear someone say, "You're in hot water," you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it yourself. Remember, English is full of idioms and phrases that can be confusing at first, but they add color and depth to our conversations. I hope you found this explanation helpful, and I look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in the future. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.